Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Binance account in the UK. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download their mobile application. Look for the Register button, usually found at the top right, and select your preferred sign-up method, either email or mobile phone. Input your chosen email address or phone number, then create a robust password. Finally, agree to the terms of service and click Create Personal Account to begin. Next, you will need to complete the identity verification, also known as the Know Your Customer or KYC process. This is a crucial step for security and regulatory compliance. You will be asked to provide personal details, including your full name and date of birth. Then, upload a clear image of a valid government-issued identification document, such as your passport or driver's license. Finally, complete a quick facial verification by following the simple on-screen instructions. Once your identity verification is successfully completed, you are ready to fund your Binance account. Navigate to the deposit section and select your preferred method. Common options include bank transfers, which might take 1 to 3 business days, or using a debit card for instant deposits. Carefully enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Your funds should typically appear in your wallet within minutes to a few hours, depending on the method chosen. To further secure your account, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app or SMS. With your account funded and secured, you can now explore the vast array of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Familiarize yourself with different order types, such as limit orders for specific prices or market orders for immediate execution. Always remember to practice responsible trading and manage your risks effectively to ensure a positive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.